6:30. Oh, just going in circles.
Mommy is there. Jaya is here. Okay, now you hold this one. Then I'll be the one to turn. Hold properly. Okay.
Is he recording?
Yep, it's recording already.
Hello, this is Daniel Joe. And I'm here at Baguio City Part 2. And we're in the boat ride. Hello.
Hi.
Ate. Hello. Tadang.
Hi.
Roll the boat. On the street. It's a It's say 10 times.
10 times?
Yeah. Ten times means 1 minute already.
Okay. Take video of the swan.
We're watching them. Dad, you're going to hit the wall.
No.
Because we're almost near. Stuckers. Dad, how do you turn? Is this how you turn?
Yep.
Oh. That's one. Oh God. Look at the splash. Splash. Speedy. Splash.
Are you wet?
No. A little wet. I'm a little wet.
See, take video of them.
Oh, they're watching us. Swans are moving. Okay, actually we are.
Yeah, almost on the other side.
What are we? A peacock?
Where's SM? There, you see? Behind.
SM City.
Oh, it's being creepy, oh.
Hey, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? Daddy, can only until 39 minutes. But Jacksepticeye can make a 1 hour video.
1 hour video?
Yeah, all his until done is a horror game because you're like running and then you have to kill monsters and then you need to run from killers. Yeah. Jacksepticeye can make a 1 hour video of until dawn.
Until dawn?
Yeah, all his 3 videos are 1 hour, so it become 3 hours. Now 4 hours because the 4th video come out by and still never watch. Dad, can I still put this on my channel?
Can.
See, I'm making video at your cell phone.
Because we have one account only.
Yeah, you can teleport this video to my cell phone.
We can, yeah. We can forward.
Dad, we're near. Can we turn now? We might bump into them. Pa, 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 pa. That's one. We are a peacock, right, Dad? Peacock. It's a peacock. That is alligator or crocodile. Oh yeah, it's an alligator because the mouth is not very long and the end is not sharp.
About that one, seahorse?
The one here is seahorse and those others are, I can see. Those are regular boats.
Dinosaur.
Is crocodile tatang?
Crocodile?
One.
Oh,
I need to.
oh, there's a tiger.
I need to speak Ilocano.
There's a tiger. You think it's a tiger?
It's a cat. It's a
Take a
cat.
video.
There's a cat. There's a cat. It's on the roof.
Maybe it's Stumpy.
Stumpy is a talking cat.
Stumpy cat, right?
Yeah, it's a talking yellow cat that can stand and loves to eat cake every morning. Dad, that's what Stumpy cat does. Sorry for my finger. Well, this is going nice.
Flowers.
Flowers.
Oh, that is a dinosaur, right?
Dinosaur has long tails. Crocodiles and no, it's an alligator, Dad.
Alligator.
The alligator has a short tail. Dad, saltwater alligators are armored hunters.
Yup.
They're very good at hunting than crocodiles and alligators. Even though their predators will try to kill them, they will still kill them. They're predators. What are the animals that the saltwater crocodile is the prey for them? Is their prey for them, Dad? What animal is their prey? A saltwater crocodile. Prey means their food. Predator means their enemy. What animal is the enemy of the saltwater crocodile?
Shark?
No. What animal is
Prey.
Is the prey? What
Human?
animal is? No, I'm telling. What animals?
Fish.
What animals prey? What kind of animal is that? What kind of animal that the prey is a saltwater crocodile?
Oh.
What kind of animal?
Shark. Anaconda.
I'm pretty sure that Megalodon will just swallow the saltwater crocodile. The legend of Megalodon, they say that they saw Megalodon on footage. A 6-meter long shadow underwater.
Okay.
It was gigantic. They say that. Do you think that the story of the colossal squid is real?
Colossal squid? Possible.
Because the war of the Japanese versus the Chinese, they were doing a warship, but suddenly when the Japanese boat exploded and all the Chinese. Hi, hi, mommy.
Take picture, mommy.
Hi. When the Japanese kill all the Chinese
stop
and
the video.
destroy their mothership, and the Japanese mothership was also destroyed, but they have rescue boats. Then suddenly, one guy got grabbed by a gigantic tentacle from the deep sea, and he has spikes to pull their prey. So it must be the colossal squid. And that's all of it for my video. My name is Dania, and I'm signing out.